Hi guys, look at our new product, plastic beehive. This is the bottom, plastic bottom. It's to collect bee pollen. Here, bees will fly through these holes, and you get bee pollen here. That's a drawer. That's drawer. 抽屉底下的抽屉. You get clean bee pollen here. And if there are some bugs, insects, or some eggs of them, you can get them this place, in these places. It's easy to clean them. Okay, put it on. If you don't want to get bee pollen, we still have a solution. 好，去掉. Put this part on here, like this. Okay. Now we put a plastic box on. 好，放那个. Here. Plastic entrance. 好，调整一下. You can adjust it. Plastic entrance. 你调整.
这个时候工蜂可以出来，蜂王不
Now,
能出来。
at this moment, queens can't go out, but workers, they can fly out.
4个单位。然后要不要讲木箱？
And if you want to put a wooden box on this bottom, no problem. All you need to is adjust this plastic entrance like this. If you want to put a wooden box and with a plastic box, no problem. We can put it one by one. Just put it on top. That's not a problem at all. Here, this spacer. If you put like 3 or 4 frames inside, you can use the spacer to keep the temperature in the box, in the beehive. If you have 2 queens, this one and the other one, about frame, you can choose a wooden frame or plastic frame. Well, I mean frames, 10 frames. Here, this is bee feeder. Here, bees will fly through these parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And you can feed bees water, syrup, or bee pollen. That's not a problem at all. And you can also feed bees water, or syrup, or bee pollen. Well, you can mix them. No problem, because we have 4 places for you to feed bees. And with this, you make sure they are always stable when you move them around, like this. You see the difference here. And now this is the plastic top. Well, we have some material inside to make sure the temperature in beehive is always, well, I would say ideal.
隔热。
Ideal temperature to make sure it's not so cold or too hot inside of beehive. Okay. We designed this one.
304不锈钢。
This part, stainless 304 to lock it. The other side.
还有2层。
See it again. This is the plastic frame we designed for this beehive. And we also have 2 layers plastic beehive. See, it's almost the same.
保温板
Yeah.
在哪里？
We have a queen excluder. Hold on. 拿下装吧。Yeah, this is our plastic queen excluder to match the plastic beehive. Okay. Oh, be careful.
3层的，
We also have 3 layers, like this.
看一下别的一条。
I see. Yeah, see the frames inside. Wooden frame, Langstroth frame, and a plastic frame. A plastic frame, you always put beeswax foundation inside. Here, like this. As for wooden beehive, as for wooden frames, you can put beeswax foundation or plastic foundation.
然后这里有个隔风板，
And here, this
这
is
是个蜜蜂可以从上往下，但是不能从下往上，单方向
从上往下是吧？
从上往下。
Bees will fly from top to bottom, only one way, one direction, but not from below to upside.
然后它的作用就是上面没有蜜蜂了，就可以转箱拿走了，不用去赶蜜蜂。
This is well, when there's no bees on the top, you can move it directly. You don't need to use bee smokers or something like that.
然后这个是塑料茶杯，
Plastic frames
这个是卡条，可以固定它的间距，调节
and
固定
the part to make sure the gaps, to adjust the gaps between the frames.
基本上就完了。
Okay. See them again.